Hello, everybody. This is Barbara Liberowicz, Homo sapiens. Welcome, all the homeopaths. I'm really impressed with the numbers. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Today, I invited you to take a part in the webinar, which for the second time I'm keeping right after Liga Congress. So this is my personal choice of the best speakers from the Liga. I invited to to repeat the lecture. I will be pleased to listen to the lecture once again, but many of you who joined were not in a position to participate. Once again, I would like to welcome Professor To. Professor To presented a brilliant lecture about dangers of artificial intelligence and the beautiful liar.
Thank you for your invitation, and it is our pleasure to be here with all of you.
我相信好多朋友都可能認識我哋啦。源於咧係呢個 COVID 嘅時候個 Kitiko 啦，因為我哋一直以嚟咧都係好注重咧真實嘅臨床資料為本嘅統計嘅。
I believe many people has heard about us mainly because during the COVID time, the Clinical project, we are a strong advocate of the real life clinical cases, data-driven statistics.
不過咧，一講到話所謂數據統計咧，就有啲人就會問啦，咁同大型嘅 AI 嘅 LLM 演算法有咩樣咧？
And when we talk about data-driven statistics, many people would think about AI, large language model, the LLM algorithm. Are they the same?
嗱，可以咁講，有啲似，但係並唔一樣。
But what I have to say here is they may look similar, but they are really not the same thing.
嗱，兩者咧都喺度使用緊數據，係希望改善順勢療法嚟協助處方啊。
Both are using data, trying to improve the practice of homeopathy, finding the remedy.
但係兩者咧都使用緊大數據喎。
Both seems to be like using the big data.
嗱，兩者都以演算法為基礎。
And both are based on algorithm.
咁呢啲有 data，嗰啲有 data 喎。
So this is data and that is data.
但係我要話俾你聽嘅就係，並非所有嘅類型嘅數據都係一樣。
But what I have to tell you, all kind of data is the same.
所以咧，我哋要小心一個人工嘅智能騙子。
So the theme today is we have to be very careful of the AI liar.
嗱，系統化嘅臨床資料收集又點樣協助以統計方式嚟驗證順勢療法咧？
So first, we talk about like how structured real-life clinical data collection can help us to validate homeopathy with modern statistics.
嗱，我哋咧喺香港嘅第一次嘅Sciatica 嘅數據收集咧，喺2018至2019年嘅。
So the first data collection we had about sciatica was back into 2018 to 2019.
咁有69個坐骨神經痛嘅個案啦。
We've got 69 cases.
入邊有37種咧常用嘅選項。
With 37 commonly used rubrics.
總共有14種咧係常用嘅坐骨神經痛療劑。
14 sciatica remedies.
我哋都係以古典療劑匯集嘅分析方法進行嘅。
And all are processed by classical repertorization.
我哋睇到獨角同埋呢個藥西瓜係比較常用嘅。
You can see that Ristox and Coloc are the two most commonly used remedy in our locality.
OK，而咧我哋可以睇得到咧係個人化嘅順勢療法處理喺1星期裏邊咧有明顯嘅痛楚減輕啊。
And we can see that there was significant reduction of pain in 1 week from individualized homeopathic treatment.
咁呢個減輕咧係即係改善咧適用於急性啦、亞急性同埋慢性嘅。
And the improvement applied to acute, subacute, and chronic cases.
而2024年第二批嚟自中國嘅坐骨神經痛數據資料就誕生咯。
And then because of the first batch, we got some positive feedback. So we got the second batch data collected in 2024.
好啦，咁今次咧就涵蓋70個案例嘅。
We got 70 cases this time.
平均年齡係57.6歲。
With a mean age of 57.
女性咧就佔75.7%。
75% of them are female.
而咧急性咧、亞急性咧、慢性咧就各佔1/3咁上下啦。
And about 1/3 of them are acute, another third is subacute, and the other third is chronic cases.
好啦，而今次咧我哋唔同嘅地方咧就係將所有嘅個案咧 都用常規嘅資料搜集，睇下檢視下佢哋咧有冇呢37個選項嘅。
What is different this second time is that we have done a routine and systematic data collection for all the 37 rubrics in all the sciatica patients in this year.
咁我哋都睇到啦，都係獨角同埋呢個藥西瓜係佔嘅。
You can see again that Rhus-Tox and Coolock come at the first two commonly used remedy in this second batch of data.
嗱，咁我哋咧就攞呢個獨角咧作為分析嘅例子啦，因為咧佢咧畢竟咧都有良好嘅成功率嘅。
And we used Rhus-Tox as the example for rubrics analysis for it's common and it got a good success rate.
OK， 咁以下資料咧就交俾以溫交代一下。
And then I would go into what we exactly done for the data. We have gone through the logistic modeling selection for this set of data, and we find that so this is the result of the significant logistic model. These are the four most predictive rubrics for the success of Rhus-Tox. And what does it mean? If we put all this into an equation, then we can see if we got a patient with walking not aggravated, left-sided pain, wet aggravated, and not aggravated by lifting, we can in fact calculate the probability of success of Rhus-Tox. Say for this patient, the probability of success is 97%.
好啦，當我哋喺現實生活入邊見到病人出現以下嘅症狀嘅時候，會有咩情況發生咧？
So then what happened when we see patient in real life presenting with this if we use the data and the model selection that we have done just now?
嗱，動作減輕喎。
So pain is pain with better from motion.
OK， 冷加重。
Cold aggravation.
伴隨麻痹。
Pain with numbness.
走路加重。
And walking aggravated.
嗱，咁我哋睇到咧，咁就其實獨角咧就佔個比重少於10%嘅噃，而咧藥西瓜咧最多都係22.8嘅啫。
If the calculation is based on the real life data, then we would know that actually the probability of success of these two remedy is not high.
咁所以咧，我哋根本就冇足夠嘅數據去證明佢哋究竟有效抑或冇效。
So the conclusion we would draw from this is there is insufficient data for a meaningful answer.
嗱，咁喺呢個時候，我哋係咪應該問下偉大嘅 ChatGPT 咧？
So what we think at this stage is we do not have enough data. But what about asking the super powerful ChatGPT?
咁好啦，我哋問下佢咯。喂，我想為我嘅坐骨神經痛病人揾下順勢療法療劑喎。
So what we asked the GPT is, I want to find the homeopathic remedy for my sciatica patient.
咁佢痛咧喺運動時比較好，寒冷時加重，伴隨住麻木，仲有走路時加重喎。
The pain is better from motion, worse from coldness, pain with numbness, and worse from walking.
咁我啊想喺 Can 入邊揾到相關選項。
And then I ask GPT, I want to find the respective rubrics from the Can.
好啦，咁 ChatGPT 就會答你啦。喂，好好嘅病例描述喎。
So what it replies is great case description.
等我哋為你嘅坐骨神經痛病人分析下症狀啦。
Let's break down the symptoms and find the corresponding rubrics.
並且喺 Can 嗰度揾到相應嘅選項。
And we can find the rubrics in the Can.
嗱，咁佢就揾到呢個表啦。
And this is the answer it gives us.
咁但係如果你熟悉 Can Repertory 嘅話，你就會發覺有啲唔同喎。
But if you are familiar with Can's repertory, then you will notice there is something strange.
Can 唔係咁寫嘅噃。
It is not the wordings that is used in Can.
咁但係又可能會有啲人會覺得，差唔多啫，描述差唔多咧，換個件衫人一樣啦。
Perhaps you may think, maybe they are just similar things in different dresses. So maybe they're just like similar.
OK， 冇問題。咁我哋不妨睇下呢5個選項啊。
Then maybe we go further insight into these details.
好啦，第一個望落去都冇乜點。
So these are the 5 rubrics that has been chosen, and the first one is okay.
好啦，咁但係睇下第二個咯喎。
But if we look into the second one,
Can Repertory 入邊冇呢3隻療劑嘅噃。
you can see that if we compare what GPT has provided us with the real Can's repertory, actually 3 of the remedy that is suggested by the ChatGPT does not exist in Can.
好啦，咁啊再睇下第3個選項啦。喂 ，Can 冇呢5隻療劑嘅噃。
And then for the third rubrics, also again in Can's repertory, all these 5 remedy which were suggested by the ChatGPT does not exist in these rubrics.
咁啊睇第4個啦。喂 ，Can 又冇呢3隻療劑嘅噃。
And then for the fourth rubrics, again 3 of the remedies suggested is missing in the real Can repertory.
咁又睇下第5個選項啦。喂，Ken 又冇呢5隻療劑嘅
For
噃。
the fifth, 5 remedies are missing in the real Kant repertoire if it is compared to the ChatGPT.
所以我睇到5個選項錯咗4個。
So you can see 4 out of 5 of the rubrics that is provided by ChatGPT is fake.
咁所以而家我哋又嘗試啦，再加多樣嘢落去啦。喂，個症狀係從 COVID 開始嘅喎。
Then we add some more question to the ChatGPT. I said the patient actually symptoms started from COVID.
咁我係好想 Ken 入邊揾到相關選項。
And I want to find the respective rubrics from the Kant's repertoire.
OK， 好啦，咁 ChatGPT 就會答你啦。喂，好好嘅跟進啊。
And the ChatGPT said, great follow up.
你而家又加入咗從 COVID 開始啦。
Now you've added the etiology of started from COVID.
由於 COVID-19 咧就並未列喺 Ken 呢本療劑匯集入邊喎。
But because Kant's historical repertoire, it doesn't have the rubrics of COVID-19.
咁因此我哋咧就將呢個病因咧概括為病毒感染後嘅疾病啦，或者流行性感冒引起嘅疾病啦。
So we may generalize this as like ailments after viral infection or ailments after influenza.
呢個係 Ken 入邊最接近涵蓋㗎啦。
And it is the closest rubrics in the Kant repertoire.
好啦，咁佢終於咧就同你揀咗呢個啦。
And that is the rubrics that is provided by the ChatGPT.
但係如果你熟悉 Ken， 你會發覺冇呢個選項㗎喎。
But if you are again familiar with Kant, then you would know that there is no such rubrics
喺
in
Ken
the
入邊
Kant
係啦，
repertoire.
佢入邊嘅流行性感冒得呢2個選項啫嘛。
And if you search for influenza in Kant's repertoire, these 2 are the only 2 rubrics that contain this word.
OK， 好啦，咁而咧 ChatGPT 甚至同你講，喂，揾到最佳匹配啊！
And then the ChatGPT goes on and said it finds the best match.
哇，正啊！呢個最佳匹配咧就可以完全包括咗所有呢個病嘅症狀。
He says this remedy can cover all the rubrics perfectly.
坐骨神經痛啦，
Sciatica,
動作就減輕喎，
better from motion,
冷加重，
worse from cold,
麻木，
numbness,
行路就加重。
worse walking,
喂，病毒感染之後，
and post-viral etiology.
好啦，各位，你睇咗呢個咁樣嘅最佳匹配，你點睇咧？
Okay, so we want to ask, what do you think
好，
about
我哋
this
俾3秒
remedy?
睇下。
I'll give you 3 seconds.
係啦 ，3、2、1。好啦，問題喺度啦，就係唔好意思喎，係冇行路加重喎，同學。
I'm sure you may identify that wrist talks and worse walking doesn't seem to be quite okay, right?
我哋可以睇到 Kant repertoire 嗰個選項入邊，行路加重係冇獨角嘅
You
噃。
can see in the Kant repertoire, wrist talks doesn't exist in these rubrics.
唔單止 Kant 冇啊，我哋揾齊晒所有喺呢個 Radar Opus 入邊所有嘅書都冇喎。
And actually, wrist talks doesn't exist in any repertoire that is available in the Radar Opus.
Well-
And so for this similar rubrics in all repertoire, it doesn't have wrist talks.
係啦，咁既然係咁，點會發生咁嘅事嘅咧？
But then how can that happen? Because no wrist talks in any similar rubrics in all repertoire.
呢個咧就叫做智能幻覺啦。
And this is what we call AI hallucination.
OK， 好啦，咁而我哋要知道點解有智能幻覺咧，我哋就要了解 AI、LLM 背後嘅概念啦。
If we want to understand how this kind of hallucination happen, we need to have a little bit understanding of what is the concept of AI LLM.
咁而以下嘅資料咧係由陶尼爾博士提供嘅。
The following few slides are actually provided by Dr. Alex Tournier from the HRI.
OK， 好啦，咁嗱，首先咧我哋會諗我哋想從咧 Kant repertoire 入邊揾到相關嘅選項喎。咁
So if we tell the ChatGPT, I want to find the respective rubrics from the Kant.
好啦，咁跟住咧 AI、LLM 咧就會從你嘅輸入嘅現實世界語言入邊咧，透過自然嘅語言查詢，就轉換成內部代碼啦。
So what the LLM did is to abstract this real-world language, and then the natural language query is converted in some kind of coding, some kind of internal representation that carries this information.
OK， 咁然後咧 AI 嘅機器咧就會透過不同嘅注意力周期嚟思考，揾出複雜嘅聯想以及最終嘅預期。
And then the machine would think about it through different cycles of attention, and then it would figure out the complex association of ideas and what is expected at the end.
OK，咁呢個思考嘅結果咧，就會從抽象嘅內部代碼轉譯翻所要求嘅真實語言啦。
And then this result of this thinking is then translated back to the requested real language.
OK，好啦，咁咧咁佢就會覆你，喂，好好嘅病例描述啦，等我哋咧為你個坐骨神經痛啫，
And then it comes out to give you an answer of like great case description. Let's break down the symptom, blah 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 blah.
OK，好啦，咁嗱 LLM 嘅核心咧，其實係預測你嘅查詢最可能嘅答案。
So you have to understand that at the core, LLM is making a prediction.
即係話一個猜測嚟嘅啫。
So it is like to make a guess as to the most likely answer of your query.
而呢個咧，通常係一個非常好而且有根據嘅猜測。
Often it is a very good and well-informed guess.
好啦，但係有時候佢會發現你正在尋找特定嗰個資訊或者參考資料，佢係冇嘅噃。
But sometimes you may figure out that you're looking for a specific piece of information or reference, but it doesn't have it.
咁冇點啊？佢咪編出嚟咯。
So what it does is it make it up.
咁佢就會創造一個好嘅或者最有可能嘅謊話啦。
So what it does is make it up and invent a good or most likely lie.
OK，咁佢就會幻覺咁出嚟創造一個參考或者一條資訊。
It will then hallucinate and create a reference or a piece of information.
嗱，因為佢試圖建構嘅最佳答案應該係包含呢條資訊㗎。
Because this piece of information should be there in the best answer that it's trying to construct.
冇錯，所以獨角嗰個問題就係咁樣嚟㗎啦。
So
佢就創造出嚟。
So you can see how that little hole, was filled in by the AI. Although Ristox is not there in any similar rubrics in any repertory, but because that space, that hole doesn't fit into the answer that it is trying to construct. So it will create and hallucinate and then saying that Ristox got this symptom, Ristox got this rubrics.
OK， 好啦，嗱，咁佢咧就會創造一個非常有說服力嘅證據或者參考。
So it will then create a very convincing piece of evidence or reference.
非常符合佢正在建構嘅答案，
And it just fits your the answer it gives you so well.
而且非常有說服力。
You will find that really convincing.
因此呢啲幻覺係好危險㗎。
But that is what is the dangers.
嗱，當佢喺現實世界入邊冇任何真正嘅概念或者參考嘅時候，
So whenever it doesn't have a real concept or reference,
咁呢種創造咧就會發生啦。
then it creates, it hallucinates.
所以咧，我哋真係要好小心，要提防呢啲漂亮嘅美麗嘅説謊者。
So we have to be really careful of this beautiful liar.
因為 AI 真係唔知道自己唔知道啲乜嘢㗎。
Because the problem of AI is it just doesn't know what she doesn't know.
OK， 嗱，如果我哋能夠以更有條理嘅方式收集處方嘅資料，
If we can have a more structured way of collecting data,
咁我哋就能夠用現代統計學嘅方法嚟驗證我哋傳統嘅療劑匯集分析方法啦。
we can indeed, just like what we have shown, we can verify our traditional repertory with modern statistics.
咁同時咧，佢更加能夠令到我哋咧即係能夠進一步咧提高處方嘅一致性同埋準確性。
And we can further improve our consistency and accuracy of our prescriptions.
嗱，幻覺咧係 AI 好多尚未解決嘅問題之一。
But AI hallucination is one of the many unresolved problems of AI.
檢查謊言嘅時間可能比我哋自己處方嘅仲要耐啊！
And many of the time for checking out these lies may be more than we prescribe by our own.
所以現在我希望你能夠明白，
So now I hope you can appreciate that
呢個 data 同嗰個 data 真係有好大嘅唔同㗎。
data and data can be very different.
我哋需要真正了解 AI LLM 背後嘅方法學㗎。
We need to understand the approach behind it, especially behind LLM machine.
嗱，我哋可以咁講啊，我可以咁講，用 AI ChatGPT 可能做創作啊、戲劇啊、作曲冇問題。
So like if we use the LLM machine like ChatGPT, it is good for something like we need to create or we need to compose.
但係如果用喺順勢療法上邊係不可能㗎，
But in homeopathy, it is really not the case.
因為我哋需要嘅唔係要 創作、幻覺或者謊言。
Because we would not need hallucinate, we do not need lies, and we would not need creation.
信息療法需要嘅係實證，
What we need is real evidence, real cases, real data.
所以各位，我哋都係腳踏實地，小心探索啦。
So let's keep our feet on ground and explore carefully.
OK， 好，感謝各位嘅關注
Thank you very much for your attention.
，Thank you。
Thank you. Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Professor Tao. Thank you, Yvonne, for the translation. Once again, I became disillusioned that life might be much easier with artificial intelligence, but obviously we have to be very careful.